Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you how to use coins in AliExpress. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So, if you want to use your coins in AliExpress, well, this one is fairly easy, but there are a few things that you need to understand. Now, currently, we are inside the app for AliExpress, and typically, you can access your coins via the homepage here and clicking on coins. So you see at the very top menu here. And if you go to your account as well at the bottom section here, you also see the option here that says coins. Now, if you click on coins on either page here, it should redirect you to the coins page, which in this case, you could claim your coins and basically use those on certain products to basically make deals or reduce the amount that you're actually paying here. Now, the thing with coins is you need to understand this. You are not able to use this on every products. Now, you can only use this on certain products being sold inside AliExpress, specifically in the coins page. Now, as you can see, if you scroll down a bit here, these are the products that you could use your coins on. Now, these products only use a certain percentage of your coins. You won't be able to use every coin, but they do take up a certain amount of coins that you currently have right now. Again, you won't be able to use all of your coins into one product. It will only use like a percentage of it. So yeah, for example, let's go and just choose this product here, and it will give you the option to basically start buying the product. Now, in this case, let's go and click on buy now and see how do we add the option for adding our coins. Now, in here, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and verify all the necessary information here, and you want to go and just add all your payment details. Now, also, if you scroll down a bit here, you should see the section here that says coins. Again, if you click on the coin section here, this will give you the option to use coins or not. And like what I said before, this will only use a certain amount of your coins, not every coins that you currently have. Now, in this case, you can go and choose if you want to use it or not. If you want to save this for a future big purchase, you can go and do that. But yeah, so once you fill out all the details here, you go and click on place order, and that should basically place your order alongside with you using your coins. And that's about it. So, for this video, don't forget to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.